Okay, so I am going to measure my flask. The weight is 23.62 grams. So I'm going to record that and then add my lime water into my 10 ml graduated cylinder. And then I'm going to put this in here and then record the mass. Then I'm going to fill my 1 ml syringe with hydrochloric acid, my titration, and add my solution. So with almost 0.5 ml added, it's starting to change. Yeah, so it's 5 drops. I'm going to place it on the white paper, draw out my hydrochloric acid, fill my syringe, and titrate. So we're at 1 ml, and I'm going to start my titration. Okay, so that is 4.4 ml added, where we got a consistent color change. Okay, so this is trial 3. I've tiered my scale, and now I'm going to add my 5 drops of indicator, methyl orange, and then do my titration with hydrochloric acid once again. One ml, and start my titration. And that was going to reinsert the tip of the bottle, put the cap, and then I'm going to shake it and let it sit for 10 minutes. Okay, so I have tiered my flask and recorded my data, so now I'm going to take the lime water with the calcium chloride in it, and I'm going to add 3 ml to my graduated cylinder. And that is 26.32. And now I'm going to add 5 drops of my methyl orange to the solution. And I have my syringe pre-filled with hydrochloric acid. So I'm going to do, I've got 1 ml in here, and I'm going to do the same titration. And then I'm going to record my data. So that right there was 0.4 mil. So I'm going to record that in my data table. Okay, so I'm going to do trial 2. I'm going to add my lime water solution, 3 mils, into my flask. And record the weight, which is 26.34. And now I'm going to add my 5 drops of methyl orange indicator. And reload my syringe full of sodium hydroxide, or hydrochloric acid, sorry. And perform another titration. Okay, and that was, again, the exact same amount, 0.4 added to the solution. So again, I'm going to, this is trial number 3 with the lime water and the calcium chloride. I've measured my graduated cylinder, and I'm going to add 3 ml of the lime water calcium chloride combination. And the weight of this is 26.59 grams. And now I'm going to add 5 drops of my indicator. And going to refill my syringe with hydrochloric acid to exactly 1 to make my calculations easier. And now I'm going to titrate the solution for a final time. Okay, so I overdid it, but I noticed the first color change occurred at about the same amount, 0.4 mil distributed into the solution.